Welcome to the 10 Friday Movie. Sunday, George Clooney and Catherine Zeta-Jones in the comedy premiere with a bite, Intolerable Cruelty. But now, Renee Zellweger is the sophisticated, elegant and quick-witted Bridget Jones. The following program is classified M. It contains frequent coarse language, some violence and a sex scene. Channel 10 recommends viewing by mature audiences.